1942.
So, yeah, do they use it often?
They used it all the time on the back of the front. It was like a stationary supply, and when they can have it, when they can eat, when they can rest, when they can rechange the uniforms.
I said I've never seen it before.
Yeah.
I think in shows on film they don't tend to show basic things. They just show more the vehicles attacking and things like that. But when it comes to the actual kitchen things and that kind of stuff, you don't always see them.
Yeah, on this one you can feed 400 people. Of course, that time they had a soup. More like in here, a stew, because it has plenty of the veg, a beef in it to boost it up.
Looks well equipped to serve that amount of people.
we cooking as well on it. It's a log burner, and it's so efficient. When we going, the logs everywhere.
Quite big. I think it must take a while to set up though and find the plot to keep it there, because it's quite heavy machine, isn't it? It really, you need steady ground then, put it this way. I would have thought.
Yes and no. It's like it's standing everywhere. Of course, has a leg support both of them. Then you can support it. Otherwise, it's like it's just easy. You can't really feel it when you're towing. You can push it yourself up to the hill over there. Yeah.
So it seems like a big heavy vehicle to push.
It
like
it is. It looks chunky, but it's actually not. That's a medium size. They had as well bigger sizes, which one they are 5 pots and 60 liters each. And they had a smaller version for this one. It was just 2 pots.
All right. Have you used this around many times at events?
Yeah, we're using them on the events. We could normally, because it's just 2 of us, then it's not really worth it to fire them.
Right, but it's a group of you.
But it's like if it's over 20 people, off you go. Normally we managed to cook without problem for 62 people in one sitting.
Oh. Yeah. Did they use it for how long for the war itself? Did they use this 1942 onwards? Was it or just? So I thought it wasn't like a temporary thing, like 1 year or whatever. It was permanent for a few years.
They was going everywhere when there was the army going, pretty much on the behind lines. Them as well, having them on the back here. They had the top in, then you can actually attach them together, and you can draw it like a column. That's nice. A firebox.
That's
it's
nice.
a little box which one is sitting in here, drawing the air. But the thing is, them 2 first pods, they having the higher heat, because they are direct on the heat. Then you just pick them up and rotate them. But as well, they are pressure cookers, which one is a little bit modernized, because of course before they had they didn't have a stainless steel. Then they are stainless steel. Of course now you couldn't really eat it off stainless steel.
Well, it's quite deep.
It's a 40 litres, Then they are 40 litres.
So what would say the most popular food to serve from that, like soups or? Soups. Mostly?
Yeah.
Keep them going, veg and things like that.
They're cool, exactly, and a loaf of bread with it.
I think bread's the most popular thing ever. Wow. Bread, I would have thought, because it's
easy to make.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. It's easy to cook.
We're making as well the bread on this one. They are more modern one, but as well the log burner. That's a Dutch oven. And we're just putting it. But of course, that time they was using like them.
It's nice.
Yeah.
So it's all the original basic materials from all those years.
The basic is pretty much that. That's your loaf. We cooked it, we dry it, and we vanished it as a display.
Oh, so it definitely keep you warm in here.
Yeah.
Definitely. Even though it's supposed to be warm today, but I think it's warm as well because you've got all this setup. Because did it rain yesterday after all? Because I think I know raining
up to 12 o'clock.
Yeah, it rained where I live in Cardiff, so I thought it's going to rain here. So I thought I'd come today instead because it's going to be drier. So that's good news.
But it was quite lots of people yesterday. I was quite surprised for the weather. Yeah.
I would have been surprised as well because I thought yesterday was the worst one.
Yes.
But today's a better one, and it's bank holiday, so I think everyone's got. It's the first time I've seen so many people turn up. It's like, crikey, for a water event as this for vehicles, it's surprising because sometimes not many people turns up. But this is like huge bank holiday, innit? They want to get everyone out.
Yeah, they want to get out as well, enjoy it.
Yeah. What part are you from?
I'm originally from Poland, but we're living in South Kent.
Oh, right.
20 minutes from Dover.
So it's quite a bit distance. I would say 2 hours on to get here, maybe just over 2 hours.
3.5, nearly 4 hours.
Oh, no. Definitely, at least you set up camp, so you can at least you can say you don't have to keep moving off. It's not worth it for petrol, is it?
Yeah, but it's like we don't mind this show. We like the location, and a part of that for us too. It's like we met in here 8 years ago.
Oh, right, that's good
It's a
then.
little bit like an anniversary.
No, yeah, it's perfect then, isn't it? Because it's like it's a nice setup for the castle as well.